Yeah, here we go again. Welcome to Canada, eh? Fucking winter wonderland out here. Snowstorm 2026. It's supposed to snow all night. Is it over yet? Fuck, eh? Let's go check the other side, guys. Oh, fuck, eh? The joys of being out in the country with all the drifts. Look at that, guys. Well, looks like I'm going to shovel later. It's not too bad out tonight, though. I mean, it's a little nippy, but that's Canada, eh? Hey guys, stay tuned for more videos, and this was just a little sneak peek. A lot more videos to come. Just can't wait for summer though. Summer vibes are around the corner, but first we gotta get through this weather. But yeah guys, we'll see you in the next video. Peace, have a good day. Night for me actually. But yeah, you guys know the vibes. Subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.
These brothers my guys, know that we fly.